Welcome to HeartSpeak, this year's An Artist's Eye on the World event in support of the 17 UN Sustainable Development Goals. In December 2020, we put a call out to the Okanagan community to choose a goal and create an expression of that goal using any form of dance, song, painting, spoken word, puppetry. The response was truly from the heart, specifically from the youth in our community who are clearly concerned about our humanity and our relationship with the earth.
We're so proud of our video HeartSpeak. It is a multi-generational Okanagan voice. It is a call to join the world on the march toward the UN Sustainable Development Goals.
My name is Ruth and I chose Goal 14. Goal 14 is life below water, and what I'm trying to say with my art is that the ocean is pretty and beautiful, but not always.
Hi, my name is Rebecca and I chose Goal 13 of the 17 Goals, Climate Action. And this is what we want. Up here, nice sun, pink clouds, blue sky. I chose Climate Action because I care about the climate.
Primitive art was rarely made for admiration. Rather, their works were in the service of the culture, to ensure continuity of the group and the teaching of the young. These are the voices of a heart-fit community.
Hi, my name is Lynette Barnes, and I'm an artist that focuses on fiber and mixed media. And my goal is number 12, which is responsible consumption and production. The piece that spoke to me the most is this one. It's because it aligns with some Japanese philosophy called wabi-sabi that I've been researching. And wabi-sabi is the appreciation of the new along with the old, decrepit, decayed, and the forgotten.
My name is Bernice James, and the two pieces that I have chosen reflect life on land and climate change. When I think about grandchildren and great-grandchildren and the world that they are going to inherit, to me it is just so important that we all do everything that we can in our lives. It's not about us, it's about them.
These are the voices of a heart-fit community and its 4C spirit of collaboration, caring, curiosity, and creating.
Hi, my name is Abigail and this is the art I did on the second goal of no hunger. I chose this goal because I really like food and I think that no one should starve. I believe that we have enough food in the world, we just need to distribute it evenly among the rich and the poor. When I'm hungry, my stomach feels that it's all in knots, it's in all over the place. That was the feeling that I was going for in my art. When I made my splat art by dipping my fingers in a can of paint and flicking my wrist to make the splotches here.
When creators probe their subjects, open to their own hearts and to each other, a recognition of our shared human condition, our universal needs, begins to emerge. In November 2020, the UN adopted a resolution declaring 2021 the International Year of Creative Economy for Sustainable Development.
Pink is for girls and blue is for boys. Who started this? Where did it come from? We all accept it as truth, but has it always been the case? During the Renaissance, it was pink is for boys and blue is for girls, because pink has red mixed with white and was seen as a manly color.
I can't take it anymore. I've had it up to here. How the older generation keeps on saying how sorry they are for the mistakes and how it's up to us kids to fix them. Adults can't seem to agree on anything these days, even climate change, which is something we all should be able to agree on, because clean air, who doesn't like to breathe?
I wake up in my room I share with my little brothers. We don't have an alarm, so I just just need to trust my gut. Dad just got home from work, and Mom left hours ago. I go sniffing through my clothes until I find a shirt that doesn't stink. I wake up my brothers and pour them some cereal. Rats! There's no milk again. Doesn't matter. We're used to eating it dry.
After a year of pandemic-induced lockdowns, there couldn't be a better time to appreciate creative thinking, innovation, and problem solving. We must imagine ourselves out of the challenges that face us. The voices in Heart Speak are a call for action.
Speak softly the words from your heart that found inspiration from my favorite poets. I like your body when it's with my body. It's so quite a new thing. Muscles better and nerves more. I like your body. Whisper those sweet words that remind me of a sonnet and compare me to a summer's day, with a smile that makes my temperature rise. When your face came rising above my crumpled life, the only thing I understood were how meager were all my possessions. You light up my life and give me hope to carry on.
My work has always been about our connection to and our relationship with nature. Being in nature can produce feelings of well-being. We can go to it for spiritual retreat. We can go for sensational, perceptual, intellectual. So when we visit ourselves in nature, we connect. And I think ultimately that's what we all seek to do. As well, I think nature needs us as stewards to sustain its well-being.
We ask you, what more can our Okanagan creative economy do to support the UN Sustainable Development Goals?